So this is my completed cropped version of Pacific Rest, and I'm just about to wash it, and then I'm just going to show you a way of blocking the t-shirt using some, this is corrugated plastic, but you can use corrugated cardboard. So I'm just going to put this in a bowl of water. Now you can see the white outline, and I've just used the measurements on the schematic to draw an outline of what the cropped shirt should look like, and I'm just going to cut that out. So we've soaked our t-shirt for a good 15 minutes, and we just squeeze out some of that extra water. Place your shirt on a towel, roll it up, and just squeeze out the extra water. You can stand on it, but whatever you do, don't wring the garment. Okay, that should do the trick. Now we've got our corrugated plastic cutout here, and I'm just going to place my t-shirt over it. Just have to bend those sleeves a little bit to get the other sleeve on. Now that we've dressed our cardboard cutout or plastic cutout, I'm just going to use a couple of pins just to make sure that the hem stays in the correct place down the bottom. Now we're just going to do the same to the sleeves. So there we've got our garment pinned and blocked. One of the beauties about this is, of course, you can just reuse your cardboard cutout next time you want to block the same garment.